I'm doing a little video. Yesterday I started talking about a video I was making for a customer. She bought a beautiful Boulder Opal from us. Boulder Opals that we sell are either doublets or they're solid. And this one is solid. Normally the way you can tell the difference is that a doublet is smooth on the top because they actually adhere it to a stone, where a natural one is curved into it. So I'll show you that curve. The stone has all this fire in it, and what they've done is the cutter can see the fire with a scope, so they're called chasing the fire. They're cutting into the channels of the stone to try to get the most brilliance out of it. Spectacular stone, really nice. Okay, so yesterday I showed a picture of this pendant that we drew. So we were going to take the opal and we're going to put it in a bezel, and this would be the gold part to hold it in place. So I said I was going to make a wax. So I took the design and I put it on the wax here, and you'll see here. So there's the piece, and throw that piece away, and this is what I cut out. Here it is. There's the pendant. Now, it looks okay, right? Fits pretty good, but it doesn't really have any life to it. It's kind of boring, right? So what I did now is I took this and I decided to add some detail. So I already did it, and this is what I got. So remember, it was flat like that. So now look at, I carved this into this. That was what I could see. That was my vision. So as you can see now, that fits. So now the next step was to make a bezel for the opal. So as you can see the line here, I took a divider and I traced the stone. This is a divider. So I traced the stone, and after I trace the stone, I'll cut that hole out, and then I will have cut the outside of it and create a bezel. But I've got to make that bezel go up and down and curve just like this. So here it is. So it started flat like that, and then I carved it down. Now look, all the way down, way down. So this stone actually should fit like a glove, and there it is. So the bezel goes up and down, and we'll thin out the bezel so it doesn't look so bulky. But now let's see how it fits. There it is. So now that's together. It fits very well, and it looks like our drawing. Now, some of the tools that we use to do this work, they don't make. So I decided, well, about 20 years ago, I made my own tools. So I went to Home Depot and I got a dowel, and I cut the dowel and I drilled a hole in it, and I knew that bicycle spokes was a soft enough metal that it wouldn't hurt. It would be easy to manipulate the metal to make it curve the way I wanted to, so I could get into tight places. So if you look close, I have probably about 15 different styles that I hammered these out, and then I shaped them so that I could use them. So this one's like a knife, and this one's like a pick. This is a round circle. So I can use the pick to get in tight here, and I can use the knife to create that angle right there, or I can use it to remove some wax right here, things like that. So the tools actually are really nice that I've got all these different options. Now, yesterday I was showing you this Max Wax pen, and if you watch right here, see the smoke? So I press this trigger and it smokes. So watch what happens here. And so now I will have to do more than that, but there's the pendant. Let's make it look a little bit more realistic here. I cut a hole in the top. There it is. So we'll now cast this in gold. I'll take the opal out, of course. Take the opal out. Cast this section into gold. Set the stone, clean everything up, and she will have a one-of-a-kind, beautiful pendant that started from 2 pieces of wax. This piece of wax and this piece of wax. So that's it. In the next few days, I'll cast this into gold, and we'll do a short video to show you how good it came out. Please let me know if you like it. If the videos are boring, tell me so I'll change them up. If you want me to talk about something, let me know, and I'll show you how to set a stone, set a diamond. I'll show you how to set this opal. Let me know if there's anything that you'd like me to show you how to do or what we do here. Alright, well, have a nice night. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.